Well, everyone, you might be trying to figure out how you can use your LG TV without your remote. Now, there's a couple different ways to do this. Number one, the easiest thing you can do here is on your LG TV, just go through and find that physical button that's on your actual TV. So on your TV, you'll have some standard buttons, some joystick style stuff. You have a lot of those kinds of things around your TV. So your best bet is to go through and basically find that particular set of buttons on your TV. You can go through, click on them, you can go through, move things around, but that is basically going to be one of the most important things you can do here. So go through, you can adjust those buttons, and that's kind of the first thing I'd recommend doing. If you don't want to go that route, you can also download the LG Think app. So there's a Think app by LG that they made, and you can go through and you can basically find that particular application and download it. And then you can go through and connect to it via your same Wi-Fi connection and all those things. And that will go through and basically apply that type of stuff to your particular application. And then you can go through and sync up your TV with that. And that's another easy thing you can basically do. You can also plug in a USB mouse or keyboard. You can also do it that way as well. So those are just a couple different ways to do it. If you have any other thoughts or questions, please let me know in the comment section below. Hit the like button, that would mean so much, but definitely hit that subscribe button. More importantly, everything else, I love every single one of you guys. Hopefully I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace out till then.